Freecoin holders doing a very big mistake at this time, my friends. If you are a holder of Freecoin, so keep watch this video and be safe from most, my friends. In this video, we discuss the latest update of the Freecoin, and after that, we discuss the holders doing a very big mistake. Keep watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Let's move on and let's see what's going on at this time in a Freecoin, my friends. My friends, if we look the latest price of the Freecoin in the market, so 0.00005 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Freecoin in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Freecoin, so as you can see here that the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the Freecoin is going negative. That's mean that the previous last 1 month the price falls down, and now at the last 1 hour the price change is positive. But remember, my friends, this price jump is for short time, right? That is the temporary fast. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that the Freecoin price is continuously falls down. Continuously the price of the Freecoin is going down from the yesterday, and you know what, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Freecoin, my friends. If you decide to sell, so absolutely you're in the loss, my friends. You know what, in the start of month the price of Freecoin is falls down, my friends, and you can see here that the price change is negative 63.67% fast down in the last 1 month, my friends. So my friends, at this time, if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, because the price change occurs in this Freecoin in the last 1 month as negative. On the other side, if you decide to hold, so maybe in the future they have a lot of chances to they take a jump and they will give you good amount of profit. So that is why I recommend for everyone. And my prediction is also that the huge pump of the Freecoin are coming soon in the start of June. Maybe chances they take a huge pump in the start of June. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Freecoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.